Alright, if you want to pressure wash your house for cheap, this is what I used. Got this. You can get this from your local Walmart, Target, and so forth. I'm a professional. I got my own business in pressure washing, but if you want to just go get some for cheap, I just got done pressure washing my house. As you can see, it's still drying. But that, man, I just got the gutters and everything. Did a wonderful job. Look how clean that is. I'll take you a tour around the house so I can show you. Got all that allergy, mildew buildup. Got all that off. Let's go up here. This is what I just got done. Yes. As you can see, got all that garage door. Look at that. Sorry about the sun. It's a pretty nice day, that's why I had to tackle it. So, we're moving around the house. As you can see, coming around the back right here. Boom. Look at that, still drying. It's great. Let me show you the pressure washer that I got. 3100 PSI. Simpson, Honda. It works good. I just used 15 bit on it and got it done. Alright. If you have any questions or comments, drop below. Please subscribe, and thank you.